What is it, you guys? Just tell me, what is it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam and this is my channel. For today, I don't even know what we're gonna do, honestly. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do, but what I'm imagining is like a nice sultry look. I wish I didn't do my foundation, but I had plans. I was supposed to do something today. I'm not even gonna tell you guys because it's kind of a secret. And yeah, plans change. So honestly, you guys, I have such a big mess in front of me, but I wanted to do something, you know, cute and fast on my eyes. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the Jawbreaker palette once again. If you guys have not checked out my previous video, actually swatching and showing you how to accomplish a really nice look with the Jawbreaker palette, I will link it up here somewhere or down below. I definitely wanted to do a simple eye look. I was thinking like in the nude family, just to kind of balance everything out. I've been doing a lot of extravagant, like super out there kind of looks, so I wanted to tone that down a little bit just with this video, and then whatever's next is next. I mean, I don't know. I really want to do other videos besides just doing makeup. So if you guys have any ideas, obviously how to incorporate makeup in it, because that's what I love, you guys let me know down below. Until then, let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna go into the color Tone right here. Tone? Cone. I'm gonna go into the color Cone, which is that really pretty nude color right here. And I'm just putting that right into my crease. Like I told you guys, it's gonna be a very simple look. So yeah. So how was everyone's July 4th weekend? This is probably going up like 2 weeks after July 4th, just because I haven't even edited a couple of videos that I'm supposed to have edited. But really, you guys, I took the weekend off. Like, I needed it. I really felt like I needed to kind of disconnect. Man, when you are connected all the time, life gets crazy, and the shit you see online, and it's just people sometimes, you need to disconnect from things, you know what I mean? And so it felt good to do that for a couple of days. I took like 2 days off, which is no big deal, but for me it's a big deal because I don't take 2 days off like back to back like that. But I definitely wanted to, and I just relaxed and really enjoyed my home and my boyfriend's company, and that's what we really did. We ate a bunch of shitty food and enjoyed our days off. But for July 4th, we did go down to a fair, which was pretty fun. We went to the Meadowlands Fair, which is in Jersey, which is not too far from us. And yeah, it was such a good time. We saw the fireworks. They did like a whole fireworks every 4th of July. They do fireworks there. I've been there a couple of 4th of Julys, so this was like my 3rd time there. So I'm just honestly taking that color, I'm putting it all over. So now I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of that, and I'm literally just like going all around, even outside of my crease. See? So I'm just using the Morphe M433 brush just to kind of, like I said, buff that out, like the same color. I'm kind of just getting it all over my lid. I did concentrate it in my crease, but I am blowing that out beyond my crease. Okay, I'm gonna dip into Tasty, which is this dark brown color right here. I'm going in there with a 217 from MAC. And yeah, I'm just gonna dip. I'm just gonna dip it, girl. I'm just gonna dip it. So I'm just going back into the crease. I'm gonna start on the outside of the crease. The crease. I'm gonna start on the outside of the crease with 8 light hands. You guys, I'm back in love with these extensions that I have on today. I bought these a while ago. They're like super long. I have them in my KKW body foundation review, which I'm also gonna link somewhere over here. Probably here. Probably here. But yeah, so I like them, but I do feel like I need to get more of this length, just because the length that I got before that was like, I think this one's 22 inches or 24s, but I got 24s and I got 18s, 16s. No, these are 22s. Yeah, these are 24s. Wow, these are 24s. Are they 24s? I don't know, but they're pretty freaking long. I'm using that first brush, the Morphe brush, and I'm picking up that same brown and I'm going under the lash line right here. So it's like I want a little bit of darkness, but not a lot. Just because, like I said, we're keeping this a very, very simple look. So the Tarte in the Bloom palette, I have a little bit of a burnt, I could say kind of like a brick red brown kind of color, and it's called Rebel, and I'm dipping right into that. You can use any color of the sort. I'm not going to show you my palette because it is in not the best condition. I use it for everything, you guys. That's that one palette that like comes in handy so often. Like I even use it to fill in my hairline. Am I the only one who fills in? Do you fill in your hairline? Like, let me know down below. Do you fill in your hairline? So I'm gonna pick up Cone. Again, that first color, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. It's crazy how when you put such a light color, it opens up your eyes. So I put that all over the lid and under as well. I'm thinking about going back in and starting my how-tos, like every video going into full detail for one step of makeup or like a couple of steps of makeup. Like I've done it for foundation before and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that, like one specific eyeliner video, one specific lash, strip lash, or individual lashes, like those kind of things. I don't know, because I feel like sometimes when I steer away from the tutorials, people want to learn how to do a certain look, and I'm like, yeah, what is it, you guys? Just tell me, what is it? I'm just taking some of that brick red, the Rebel, and I'm just tapping it right between where that dark brown and that nude color meet. And now, with the power of editing, okay, so I'm trying to figure out if I should do a wing liner. I think it needs a wing liner. So I want to try something for eyeliner. I'm going to be using Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I think I'm going to do an eyeliner with it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I did my eyeliner off camera and I did my lashes. And of course, my camera died, needed to charge my camera, all of that good stuff. So between all that, here we are again. I think for this look, I was trying to do the wing liner with Celebrity Skin, but it was just with the eyeshadow that I have on today. It was just way too light. So I changed it up and I just did a black eyeliner. But for lips, I will be going in with Celebrity Skin. I will be outlining my lips with a darker liner because I think this might be too light for me. I don't know. I don't remember. I just haven't worn it in forever. But yeah. The lashes that I have on are actually my lashes in a box in number 32, just in case I didn't mention it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lipstick now. This lipstick smells like straight up licorice. It's so yummy. You see, it like washes me out. I'm definitely gonna use some lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Bodyography lip liner in Timber. I'm actually lining my lips different than what I usually do. I usually do like the little heart, but I'm going straight just to give my lips a different, like, bigger look. So you see, like, instead of that dip, I kind of just went over it like this, like a circle. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss in the center. So yeah, with the Ofra highlight, I used it all over my face. I'm just picking up this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I do want to put a little bit of that highlight in my inner tear duct, as always, right here. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my cheeks. It's because you can never have enough highlight, ever, ever. Go in with some Fix Plus from MAC in Goldie Light. And yeah, you guys, this is my completed spray got all over my hair. I do feel like my foundation has set into my fine lines just because I literally have my foundation on almost all day. Yeah. Even though we've been filming here together for a few minutes, I've actually been doing this all day just because I've been doing 50 million things and editing. And guys, I need to find an editor. I really, truly do. But anyway, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know if you want more videos like this one in which I do a lot simpler looks and easier to follow for like the beginners and stuff like that. Even the advanced, I sometimes just don't want to go in with color. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. You're already here, why not subscribe and make me a happy girl? And don't forget to follow me on social media. I mostly use Instagram and Twitter, and that's at FashionsVixen. All right, you guys, until next time, bye. This is me taking out my clean brushes to see what I could use, because I'm such a fucking pig. How tan do I look? And honestly, it's not because I have a tan, it's because I have that much contouring, bronze up situation going on. But I love it. It looks so pretty. And it actually does match the rest of my body because, bitch. Now we can do this.